We currently require digital products for creating unique and disruptive experiences for our customers. However, companies do not know where to start or don't have the necessary resources. GBM Digital Factory provides software development to design, develop, and execute applications or optimize existing or create components according to requirements from final users. We provide support to organizations through different services: specific projects, support contracts and assistance, manpower or dedicated resources and managed by the customer, agile squads of multidisciplinary teams, requirements according to pricing and services agreed, managed services, digital workforce, or testing as a service. The Integrated Support Service, Application Management Services, AMS, including wide range of IT needs such as incident management, expansions, change requests, new versions, application update. Know more about Digital Factory at www.gbm.net/es/digital-factory.